I'm going to start a topic. Keep a name: equilibrium and Lami's theorem. Lami's theorem. Okay. So equilibrium and Lami's theorem. I think I have discussed about this in vector, but still, if I have not discussed anyway, I will discuss it again. So first, let me write the what is the concept. Then we will proceed. Concept is a statement of the theorem is if more than two forces are acting through a point, then they can establish the equilibrium of a system. Okay, so let us take the example. Hold on for a second, just. Right. So here you look at this diagram. Here A, B, C are basically I'm taking these are the three forces are there. Okay. So let us say this is force F1. So F1 vector. This is F2 vector. And this is F3 vector. Put your hands down, Ray. I'm discussing a topic, so in the middle of the topic, do not raise your hand. So F1 vector, F2 vector, and F3 vector. Correct? You can see that this angle is said to be alpha. This is the angle which is said to be beta. And here there is another angle which is said to be gamma. So now the mathematical form of Lami's theorem, is, remember, mathematically we describe it like magnitude of a force divided by sine of opposite angle is equal to constant. Okay, so that's all Lami's theorem is about. So now if I want to look at this diagram, you check. If I take this force into account, F1, what is the opposite angle? Alpha. If I take force F2, what is the opposite angle? Beta. If I take F3, opposite angle is gamma. So what I'm supposed to write? F1 by sine of alpha is equal to F2 by sine of beta is equal to F3 by sine of gamma.
Sir, एक minute.
Yeah.
Dear students, today exam login time 5 to 6. Today exam login time 5 to 6. Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir. Yeah, Pushkar, tell me.
Sir, can you explain me once again that F1, how F1 by sine theta, sine alpha and all?
This is the force now. So F1 is acting in this direction. What is the opposite angle of that? Alpha.
Yes, sir.
What is the theory? Magnitude of a force divided by sine of opposite angle is constant.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Yes, Ashavardhan? All right. Chalo, we'll solve many examples. Don't worry. Yes, Rahul?
So once scroll up.
Yeah, just wait.
Hello,
Just wait.
sir.
Just
Okay,
wait.
sir. Okay, sir.
Okay now? Rahul, okay now?
Sir, okay, sir.
Okay, right.
I want heading, sir. Equilibrium and Lami's theorem.
Oh, you got the heading now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good.
Equilibrium.
So I just wanted to ask to scroll up, sir, but it's okay, sir. You scrolled it up.
You okay na? Okay, chalo.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Yes, Harshit?
Sir, this is only possible when the system is in equilibrium.
No. I said the three forces which are acting like that, they can make a system in equilibrium.
If these conditions are satisfied, then the system can be in equilibrium.
Opposite. If the system is in equilibrium, then only this condition is satisfied.
Okay.
Or vice versa also true.
Sir,
Not in all the
Okay.
cases, but in few cases. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Right. So now
sir,
you are seeing this diagram here. So here you do not calculate anything. Just apply Lami's theorem. Do not
yes, sir.
calculate anything. Chandra, tell
Sir,
me.
what is today's portion, sir? CDF.
CDF. I will show. Just wait. I will show.
Yes, sir.
Just apply Lami's theorem. Nothing else. I am not expecting anything from you. So here, if you check, weight is acting in the downward direction. That will give rise to a tension. Let us say T1 here. If you think from this point, this T1 will act downward. T1. Okay. This is T2 and here is T3. Now check. Everyone. What will be this angle? See, 45 plus 30. That is 75. So this entire angle is going to be 105 degree. Okay, Nare. Total is 180, no? 180 minus 45 plus 30. That becomes 105 degree. Correct now? Yeah. So this is 90 degree. So what about this entire angle? This will become 120 degree. And what about this angle? This angle is going to be 135 degree. So now if we draw an abbreviated diagram, so diagram will look like, check here. In this direction T1, here T3 and here T2. Corresponding angles are, this is 105 degree, this is 135 degree, and this is 120 degree. So what is going to be the final equation? If I write in Lami's theorem, I am going to write T1 by sine of 105 degree is equal to T2 by sine of 120 degree is equal to T3 by sine of 135 degree. Is it okay? Clear for everyone? Let us say this is example 1. Clear, no? All of you? All right. Fine. So let us go for example 2. Yeah, solve for this one. Yeah, Prakash. Go for this one now. Think about this point. So here in this direction downward, you are going to get the value of T1. You take this as T2 and you take this one as T3. All right, fine. Check. This angle you are going to get 45 degree. Okay. If this is 60, then this angle is going to be 60 degree. If this is 60, those, how much is this angle? 30 degree, no? Right? Chale. So this is also 45 degree. Correct. Chale. Fine, no problem. And the downward force here in this direction is mg, which will be eventually balanced by T1. So if I take the point C, so point C into consideration, everyone check. So this is point C. So what's going on from point C? Sir, good morning. हाँ सर, वो कल रात को मैंने आपका एक वीडियो का एनालिसिस पूरा डिटेल करके भेजा है. So kindly if you check and check and tell me accordingly, I will proceed for the other videos. Okay, I sent to you around 1:15, 1:30. Midnight, yes sir. Okay sir. Okay sir. Okay. Sorry friends, got a call from boss. Anyway, so this is point C. So if you think about point C, for point C, this is tension T1. From here, I'm taking this tension as T3, and here I'm taking this as T2. Arey yaar, tell me, what is this value coming? This angle is how much? 75 degree. Well, na? Fine. What about this angle, Ray? That is 135 degree. Correct? And this is coming to be 150 degree. Yeah. Okay, na? Clear for everyone? So what is going to be the Lami's theorem equation? It is going to be T1 by sine of 75 degree is equal to T2 by sine of 150 degree is equal to T3 by sine of 135 degree. Tejesh, tell me.
Sir, for equilibrium condition, can we resolve it and equate, sir?
Yes, Tejesh, we'll show it. We'll just right after this only I will show it. Obviously we can. But you know what is the thing? When we'll show that, you will see that Lami's theorem is much more time saving than the other method.
Yes, sir. Okay.
We'll show it. Just show it. Just wait for some time. 5-10 minutes. I will show that. Okay, no? Yeah. Chalo. Next, let us go for example 3. चले दोस्त. Do it.
Hello.
Hello. Proceed this one quickly. All of you can do. Think about this point. And show me on the screen. Yes, Snehita, correct. Very good. Okay, Snehita. Yes, Mani, very good. Akash Gadu, Chepandi.
Sir, t by 130 degrees is equal to t dash by 120.
Screen.
Sir, can we take the third sir, as mg by?
It's fine. Third what?
Sir, we can take as mg, sir.
Yes, we can take.
Okay,
We can
sir.
take. Yeah. So let us see here the tension I'm taking it to be T1. So this is T1 and this T1 is equal to what? This T1 is equal to mg. Anyway, very good everyone. So now this angle is coming to be how much? 110 degree. This is coming to be 130 degree and this is coming to be 120 degree. So we'll write T1 by sine of 110 degree is equal to T by sine of 130 degree. Pushkar okay, Pranit okay, Satya okay, fine, good. Punit fine. That is equal to T prime divided by sine of 120 degree. Okay na? Right? I hope everyone got the clarity. How to solve such cases? Yeah? Okay. All right. Yeah, Dinesh, tell me.
In that angle is 140 no that sir.
Which one?
Sir, down one sir.
This is 40 plus 19 are 130.
Okay sir.
Okay. Yes, Pushkar Kale.
सर वो मास 3 kg दिया है, उसका कुछ नहीं क्या इसमें?
बहुत कुछ किया ना, mg लिखा हुआ है ना, T1 is equal to mg.
अच्छा ठीक है
ठीक है, चल दोस्त, लास्ट वन, लास्ट एग्जांपल, और नहीं करेंगे बस. एग्जांपल 4. चलो एवरीवन, लगे रहो मुन्ना भाई. फटाफट. So why this is also going to be 60 degree, है ना? Correct. This is to 90 degree already. So how much about this angle? 150 plus 70, that is 220. So this has to be 140 degree. To make the entire as 360. Check the angle. Is it okay now? Yes, fine, very good. Chintra, okay. Prakash, okay. Snehita,
Sir, isn't the angle between T1 and T2 110 degree?
140 is coming, no? You check, this is 60 degree, no? This angle is 60. This is 90.
Yes, sir.
So 90 plus 60, 150. 150 plus 70 is 220. So this total is 360. 360 minus 220 is 140.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Right? Yeah. So, yeah, Mr. Jaganmohan Rao, okay. Praneeth, okay. Sritan, okay, fine. Yes, Mani, okay. All right. Chandra, okay. Good. Satya, fine. Prakash, okay, good. Devit, okay, fine. So now what is the equation I will get? T1 by sine of 70 degree is equal to T2 by, yeah, Puneet, fine. Sine of 150 degree is equal to T3 by sine of 140 degree. Okay, now? Clear for everyone? This topic, I don't think anyone has any doubt.